example of one that broke off. We're going to see if we can grab a hold of it. You see we got a few things around it. Kind of make it jack up, which will make it unlevel. So you get right over it. Best you can. Even stick the board underneath here. That's to where it'll pull it straight up. Gravity kind of, once you start lifting it, should start pulling it up. I was able to get a good grab on that one. Yeah. As long as there's enough for that chain to grab a hold of, it'll pretty much pull them out. You have to go all the way up with the jack and all the way down. And the important thing is this I-beam is, the strength of it's going up and down, not sideways or forward or back. The strength's up and down. So if your pole is leaning one way, say someone backed into it, you rather pull it straight out rather than trying to lift it up when the footing's going sideways. So with this right here, yank it out. Haul a few trailers. This is an example of just a repair job. This one's just leaning, which wouldn't be much to it, but when you pull up with your post puller, you want that I-beam to be straight even with this way, and this way. So as long as it's level, it'll pull it straight out. As long as it's got so much wood on there, or so much of a post left, enough to grab a hold of, the chain will get it. If not, it comes with a hook that you can screw down in there. Say if it was broke off down here low enough where you couldn't get a hold of it with a chain, you can screw this in there and you can get in a pretty good bite with it. And I've been able to get 95% of them out with that. That's pretty much it, and it'll pull out your broken off post. Thank you very much.